Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'll be doing a quick review and an unboxing of the K90 Pro Max. K90 Max, excuse me, not the Pro. K90 Max. Has GPS, flight return, brushless motors, 3 cameras, image stabilization it looks like, and supposedly long endurance. So let's take a quick look at what's inside. Now I bought this from TMU. That's where I bought this. It was under $100. As you can see, packs pretty well. There's another battery. I bought it with 2. Okay, but it's pretty sweet looking. I already took it out for a quick flight inside. I'll throw that video up a little later. But yeah, it's pretty cool looking. I like that you can turn the GPS on, turn the GPS off, which is pretty nice with the remote. You'll see that. Basically, can't show you all that stuff. I mean, you'd have to buy it. But yeah, looks pretty nice. It's 180 grams, so it's under the 250. It's a little heavier than most drones. It's under $100. Again, if you're paying more than $100, oh, look at that. Got a nice sweet little thing to keep that nice, huh? You're paying over $100 for a drone and it's not wind resistance. And a budget drone can do the same as that $200 drone that's not wind resistant? Better think again. But anyway, these are under $100. They look pretty cool. Got all kinds of lights. You can see the 3 cameras. Pretty wild. All kinds of lights. Reds and greens. Pinks and purples on the side. So it's pretty cool looking. Again, it's the K90 Max. Sorry about that. My camera decided to just say, I don't want to work no more. But anyway, you got this obstacle avoidance up here. A lot of people think this is for indoors. But with this type of drone, it's not for indoors. It's for outdoors. You try to fly this in any kind of small room, and you're not going to be able to fly it at all. Okay? So this really is an outside drone, not indoors. Even though it says you can fly it indoors, you better have a big room, because this thing is not little. It's a lot larger than most of my drones that I have now. But it's pretty neat. As you can see, it has different type of arms. Let me shut this off. As you can see, it extends out. When you fold it in, doesn't matter which ones you decide to fold in, which I think is pretty cool. Battery's easy to come out, so squeeze the side, pull it out. Got 3 cameras. We'll see if that really works. But again, it's just a simple controller. But you can see it's pretty cool. Shut this thing down. Loud. Woo. So you can control the camera. Up here there's a little knob up here, which actually makes the camera go up and down. Let's do that. I don't have to open up the arms. Let's try that. I'm going to shut the GPS off. Alright, supposedly, let's try it. Yeah, not that smooth. But what do you expect for under $100? Again, if you're spending over $100, it ain't win recession. You better think about it, because you can buy the same thing. I mean, a camera, brushless motors, and you're paying $200 and it can't take the wind. Be careful, people. Okay, know what you're buying. These are budget drones. They're under $100. That's what I like to fly. Anyway, if you want to see this thing fly outside, come back. I'm sure I'll have a video of this flying outside. We'll check out the GPS and everything that goes with it. Again, thanks for watching. I'll throw a vid that I flew this in a 15 by 15 room, and you could see that this is pretty big to fly in a house. In fact, it doesn't come with any guards. That should be a red flag right there. And anyway, a lot of these, they'll throw guards in and they'll say it's, yeah, you can fly it in the house. No. Unless they have full cages. I mean, full cages. Shouldn't be flying any drone in the house. Anyway, come back if you want to see this in flight. And thanks for watching all.